Hi friends, I'm Sairithne. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the Face ID comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Poco F2 Pro device. The Realme X7 Pro has got the punch hole camera here in the front, as you can see, friends, and whereas the Poco F2 Pro has got the pop-up camera mechanism. So in this video, I'll try to test the Face ID unlock speed test comparison between this pop-up camera versus this kind of punch hole camera in the Realme X7 Pro device. So this is a Poco F2 Pro and it is a Realme X7 Pro device. So the Poco F2 Pro I'm using for the past few months, and the Realme X7 Pro is also, I think I am used more than 150 days of using this device as well. And this Poco F2 Pro I'm using for more than 150 days with this phone. And during this time, I didn't have any issues with the pop-up camera while using the Face ID unlocking in this device. So everything was smooth and fine. But right now, let's compare both phones in terms of what are the software things, what the advantages between both the phones, and how is the speed test between both the smartphones as well. Which Face ID is faster in terms of unlocking the device, we'll get to know. And in case if you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe and also do like this video, friends, and definitely try to check the links in description for the live wallpapers what I'm using in all of my smartphones, so which will be really good and interesting wallpapers. And even there are separate videos for each and every smartphone which I reviewed in my channel, so make sure to check the playlist for more in-depth comparison videos. So let's get started, friends. First thing is let me try to quickly show you what are the things is available in the software thing in both the smartphones, so that you know exactly what you are looking after. And in the Poco F2 Pro, let me start with this phone first. The reason because there are not much options are available in the phone, so only you can add up to 2 faces in the Poco F2 Pro. That's a really good thing. I didn't see this kind of feature in any other smartphone, so that's a really good advantage here, using the 2 Face ID unlocks here. So for example, if you're having the one face with the without beard and one face with the with beard, you can use that kind of 2 different face IDs in this Poco F2 Pro, and you can make it work even faster in terms of the recognizing the face. That's a really good feature which the Poco had integrated here. And next is that unlocking using the Face ID data. So after the screen lights off, swipe the unlock using the Face ID, as you can see. So whenever you press the power button and whenever you swipe upside, the pop-up camera will be automatically scanning you. So right now I did not enable that, so that's why it's not scanning. So you need to enable this option using the Face ID. So once you enable that, the Face ID is all set here. And let me come back to the Realme X7 Pro device. So it is a Realme X7 Pro, fans. First is enrolling the face. Next is you can use the Face ID unlocking for different methods as well, for screen lock, app lock, private safe, and app installation. So same kind of features you can do with the fingerprint scanning as well in the Realme phone. That's a very good advantage. I did speak already about this app installation. So whenever you install third-party applications, it will ask for the permission for the fingerprint or the Face ID, so that no one can install without knowing to you. And next is the auto brightness screen for the Face ID unlocking. So whenever there is a dark situation or dark surroundings around the phone, the screen will automatically increase the brightness to give you the very good accurate Face ID scanning in this phone. That's also another good advantage. And there's another option. If you observe here, so unlock only when eyes are open. So if you enable this option, so whenever you close your eyes, the phone will not open at all. That's a really good feature, friends. So even when you're sleeping, there are chances that your friends might open the phone. But if you use this kind of option, whenever your eyes are open, then only it will try to unlock the device. So that's a really good feature. And next is screen unlocking. So there are 2 options. One is auto unlock, next is swipe up to unlock. So what's mean the auto unlock, because what is the meaning of auto unlock is whenever you press the power button, it automatically scans the face and it will open the screen. And if you select this option, swipe up to unlock, so whenever you press the power button, it will unlock, but you need to swipe upside every time, as you can see here, friends. So that's what I don't like here. So I'll try to choose the auto unlock only, so it will try to unlock faster. So let me try to quickly go to the home screen in both the phones, and let me try to start Face ID testing here. So let me try to close both the phones right now, and let's see, friends, which phone will unlock faster. In the Poco F2 Pro, I need to press the power button and swipe upside, then only the pop-up camera will come. So let me try to do it like this at same time. Let's see. So I'm trying to hide behind the camera, so that's why it did not unlocking the Realme X7 Pro. So now let me try again. As you can see, friends, in the Poco F2 Pro, it's a kind of disadvantage. So whenever you press the power button, you need to swipe again to detect the Face ID unlocking. That's a really good annoying feature here. So from the beginning of the Redmi K20 Pro, I still remember the Redmi K20 Pro also has the same kind of problem. So every time you need to swipe upside to unlock. That's a very not good at all, friends. For example, in the Realme X device, which also has the pop-up camera mechanism. So for example, let's see. So even when I press the power button, it will automatically open the pop-up camera and it will scan the face without even swiping. This is much faster than normal pop-up camera phones in the Realme X device. As you can see, friends, whenever you press the power button. So same kind of feature and software things should be implemented in this Poco F2 Pro as well, but still not yet updated here. So let me try normal thing. So let me try to turn on the screen here, then I'll try to swipe upside at same time and press the power button as well. So let's see, friends. As you can see, the speed. So obviously the Realme X1 Pro is quite faster. As you can see, you will get to know how much faster it has been. So there's a delay of, I think, 1 second, maybe 0.5 second delay. That's it. So there's not much a big deal, but I did wish they could have updated with the software thing that pressing the power button should be unlocking the pop-up camera. That's not the case here. So unfortunately, definitely the Poco F2 Pro is slow in terms of the Face ID scanning. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. For this kind of interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also do check the links in description for more interesting videos. So thank you for watching. Until then, bye.